love. Each morning I get up, I die a little, can barely stand on my feet. Take a look in the mirror and cry, Lord, what you doing to me? I spend all my days in believing you, but I just can't get no relief. Oh Lord, somebody, can anybody find me somebody to love? How or high, every day of my life I work till I ache my bones. At the end, I take home my hurt and on my own. I get down on my knees and I start to pray till the tears run down from my eyes. Oh Lord, somebody, can anybody find me somebody to love? Every day I try and I try and I try, but everybody wants to put me down. They say I'm going crazy. They say I got a lot of burden in my brain. I got no common sense, got nobody left to believe in. Yeah, yeah. Got no feel, I got no rhythm. I just keep losing my beat. I'm okay, I'm alright. I ain't gonna face no defeat. I just gotta get out of this prison cell. One day I'm gonna be free. Lord,
Find me somebody to love. Find me somebody to love. Find